lang tabi ning bag. Uy, ate, bag-grade ba to? Hindi ako na-inform, ha? Ma'am, actually, yung check lang yung bag. So, hi guys! Welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to do a bag grade with ate. Niki, ako ng choice. Check lang yung ano. Ate, is that okay if I speak English? Kasi I'm so mahina with Tagalog eh. I've been in Manila for 5 years. Is that okay? So, ate, my bag is actually from LV. Lumang bag. Charot. It's actually from Prada. Product of Abaca. Ma'am, paki-kwantabi. Okay, ate, let's continue. Oh, this one. I love this one. This is a pressed powder from Bigaan Cosmetics. Kasi it's so mainit here in Bicol eh. I also have, oh, this one. I love this lip tint. This is from Centermall. Very, very pigmented, by the way. It really goes a long way. So, you just have to make like a little bit of pahe. Ma'am, paki-kwan. And also, ate, I have tissue. This is a limited edition from Saod. I don't like tissue kasi like when you're sweating, you know, like, ew. Buli na ina niya manay pagka narawag na ng pila. Okay, bakit ka attitude? Mabur ba grade ka pa o sisikadan ta ka?
Gago!